Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. It's your English period and today the date is 7th May 2021. Today we solve the exercise that is relevant about the grammar tree. You open your grammar tree book and your home task in front of you and you solve the exercise with me. Today our topic is countable and uncountable noun. In the previous lecture, we already discussed the definition of the noun, the common noun, and the proper noun. Today, we discuss countable and uncountable noun. First of all, we discuss the definition. Nouns that are the name of the things, people, etc. that can be counted are known as countable noun, like chair, table, pen, pencil, etc. Things which are counted are called the countable noun. And now come to the next definition. Nouns that are the name of the things, people, etc. which cannot be counted are known as uncountable noun, like water, milk, sugar, salt, bread, etc. Now starts the exercise. Page number 6. State whether the underlined nouns are countable or uncountable noun. The first one. The doctor has asked Rohil to keep away from both salt and sugar. Here in this sentence, three nouns are underlined. The first one is doctor. Doctor is countable noun. Salt and sugar both are the uncountable noun. 2. Bina loved to play basketball. Here in this sentence, basketball is uncountable noun because it's the name of a game. 3. Our cook uses too much oil and butter in his cooking. Here in this sentence, cook is countable noun, but oil and butter both are the uncountable noun. 4. He ate his soup with a spoon. In this sentence, spoon is countable noun and soap is uncountable noun. Spoon countable, the first one is uncountable. 5. The man spent all his money on books and lived happily in poverty. In this sentence, students, money and books both are the countable noun, but the poverty is uncountable noun. 6. John bought a new car and took us all for a ride. In this sentence, car is countable noun. 7. I am very fond of rice and have it at every meal. In this sentence, rice and meal both are the uncountable noun. Come to the 8th one. Drinking too much coffee or tea is not good for your health. In this sentence, three nouns are underlined: coffee, tea, and health. Coffee, tea, and health. These are the three nouns are uncountable noun. 9. No living being can survive without air. Air is uncountable noun. 10. He does not like bread or butter. In this sentence, bread is uncountable noun. 11. He put some toothpaste on his brush and walked into the bathroom. In this sentence, toothpaste is uncountable noun, but the brush and bathroom is countable noun. 12. Oil and water do not mix easily. Here in this sentence, oil and water both are the uncountable noun. 13. Rina met with an accident. Rina met with an accident and there was blood all over his clothes. Accident, countable noun, but blood is uncountable noun. 14. Luck was on his side and he won a lot of prizes at the fair. In this sentence, luck is uncountable noun, but the prize and the fair both are the countable noun. 15. There was no electricity in the town because of the floods. In this sentence, electricity and the floods both are the uncountable noun, but the town is countable noun. 16. The weather was fine and we spent the day sitting in the garden. In this sentence, weather is uncountable noun, but the day and the garden is countable noun. 17. When you listen to good music, you lose all sense of time. Here, music and time both are the uncountable noun. 18. He had eggs and toast for breakfast, meat at lunch, and milk at bedtime. In this sentence, eggs, toast, breakfast. These are the countable, but the meat and milk are the uncountable noun. Come to the second last, 19. There was no space in the drawing room and so they put the television set in the bedroom. Here in this sentence, space, uncountable noun, drawing room, countable noun, television is also countable noun, and bedroom is also countable noun. Come to the last one. The sand on the beach was clean and golden in color. Here, sand is uncountable noun, but the beach and the color both are the countable noun. Students, this is our today exercise, and answer of the above exercise at the given bottom of the page. This is our today lecture. I hope all of you understand very well. Allah Hafiz.